Greetings, Miss Swan. Greetings. Hi. Hi. Okay, for this video journal that we're supposed to be doing, you want us to do something that we enjoy, one of our passions, stuff like that. Well, one thing I like doing, which is kind of weird, but I love playing with numbers. Like, I'm always mentally doing something with numbers in my head. Like, even growing up, I've always liked math, especially in grade 4. I have this distinct memory of coming to class late and then finishing my math problem for everybody else who had a whole bunch of time to do it. But say, me and numbers, it's an important part of my life, which is kind of reason why I want to be an accountant in the first place. But when I play with numbers, it's basically a way for me to challenge myself, my brain, and all that good stuff. Like, say if I'm driving or if I'm in a car with someone and they're driving and I look at the license plate in front of me, I have this habit of seeing if that license plate number can be divided by 3. This is because, for me, 3 is a very important number, especially in my family, because for some odd reason, everything in my family occurs in 3. Is like, for example, me and 2 of my cousins, which makes 3 of us, all born in 1993. One was in April, one was in July, and then I was born in October. Each month is 3 months apart, so as you can see, 3 is kind of a big deal. And even when I divide these numbers by 3, instead of doing it forward, instead of doing it sound like, for example, say we have 276. Instead of starting from the 2 going this way, I will start from the 6 and go this way. Like, three, right? I would say 3 goes into 6 2 times. And then 3 could go into 7. You would say 2, but if I do that, I'll just leave for the 2. But 2 into 27 would be 9. As you can see, which is pretty easy. But say if you had like a larger number, like for example 1, 8, 5, 4, 2, 1. Say we have this number, right? Much larger than the last one. If I was to divide this by 3, coming from the last digit would be 1, we'll say, okay, 3 can't go into 1, but the number would have to be 21. But for that, it have to be which is 7, so we get 0, 7. My 7's a little messed up, but anyway, 0, 7, because 3 can't go into 2, but it goes 21, so gotta look at it that way. And then 4. If we leave 4 as it is, it'll be a remainder. So if you want a number that ends with 4 that 3 can go into, it would have to be 24. So 3 into 24 would give us 8, right? 8. But to get to 2 in front of 4, we have to go into 5 one time, because 5 take away 3 is 2, which would carry over. So 1. The last number, 18, because as I said, you gotta look at it as a whole picture, because The only number that 3 can go into that ends in 8 is 18, which would be 6. There you go. If you put it in the calculator, you should get 61,807 as your answer. Go right ahead, try it out. And that's basically my means of processing whenever I do mental math, as my playing with numbers. Thank you.